You guys will know which point my kid is in the painting process. Big update towards the end of this video, guys. Let's roll it. This morning I woke up and I was thinking, dude, I kind of want a bagel. So I hit up my cousin Ivy. I texted her, I said, yo, let's go get bagels. And she's on her way over right now. Actually, I think she just got here. Let's go see. Ooh, got the Louis Vuitton Air Force Ones on today and I'm super hyped about it. What does that do? It just takes off.
Rust dissolve, I guess.
Stone's cleaning the rust out of the back of his truck.
You need a rhino line, dude.
Yeah, you do. Ooh, I love it. Putting this on here is gonna change the whole thing.
I know. I think I want to do that first.
Yeah, you should. Yo, the Subi Speed one though, you don't have to drill holes.
I know.
You just stick it on 3M. I would too, just for now.
Oh my gosh, this is like a gang out here. You want me to follow you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Bro, that's the main reason I hit my cousin up, because oh, that cold start hit different. That's another reason I hit up my cousin, because I just love when I have multiple Subis in my videos. It's just so dope when we squat up like this. Oh, didn't even scrape, guys. Woo! That means last video worked. Okay, it's a little bit of a struggle getting out here, but we good. Well, I've been talking about this for a minute, but as soon as the wide body kit is done, we are going to be hosting some cruises, some car meets, and we're going to be going to a lot of them. And of course, I'm bringing y'all with me. So it's going to be absolutely sick. This summer is going to be insanely different. Super dope. Oil temps at just shy of 100. Want to be about 150, 160. 170, 80 if you want to wait, but it usually doesn't happen that way. We are currently heading out to Einstein Bagels. Einstein Bagels is like the best bagel place ever. Another thing I really wanted to tell you guys was driving with these wider tires on, I can totally feel the difference in the handling. I can totally feel the difference in the traction, so how much more tread is on the ground. There's no way I could launch the car right now and break loose. That just ain't gonna happen. It just ain't gonna happen. Look how fresh Ivy's Subi looks though. The roads are so terrible right now. Oh, look how clean her Subi is. I can hear her exhaust. She's got the dual NVIDIA. Can't remember which one. It's not the Q400. There's some roadkill.
I was gonna do the same thing!
Let's go!
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the wide body episodes. Today's gonna be a good day, guys, and I'm super happy that I'm filming. I feel really great. I love to film, really helps me out. So let's continue this video and enjoy the content, boys. Sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and let's go. Yo! That was lit, huh? Your car looks so good, bro. I was like, oh my gosh.
I went the long way. I don't know why I went this way.
Oh, we're just cruising then. Yo, your car looks so modified from the back.
Does it?
Yes. You got your exhaust back there, and then you have your mud flaps, so it gives it like that stance look. Your blacked out emblems, your tinted tail lights. I don't know, it just looks good in the back, honestly. I gotta get over behind you.
I know.
Ah, of course. All right, boys, we got the famous tunnel coming up. Let's go. Hey, you too. Woo! Gas pack 1200. I love how we're just sitting here. Got our cars. We're just sitting here eating.
Lit.
This is so lit.
This is how we do things around here. I just dropped my egg sandwich and it got a little dirty, but you know, we build the immune system, so we good, we good. Someone just texted me, said, you enjoying your breakfast at Einstein Bagels with Sophie?
Ivy!
They thought you were Sophie.
I got a little package in the mail, so I just wanted to show you guys this. Here's all the fender flare liner. It all came in, so I kind of wanted to unbox it and show you guys in this video, because why not, right? Sadly, I have some sad news. Jake messaged me yesterday, and basically Jake's dad was out of town this weekend, so depending on how busy it is next week, he may be able to do it on the weekday, but if not, for sure the kit will be done next weekend. So right there we have a little bit of a delay there, so sorry guys, that kind of sucks, but it's okay. The kit will for sure be done next weekend. I know you guys are just insanely waiting for it, and sadly I am too. With the sad news being there, we got some good news, and the good news is we got some freaking cordage. So as you guys can see right here, I have a whole roll of it. I'm actually gonna lay this out so it starts straightening out and it's not all raveled up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you broke that. There's one right there.
Where? Oh.
Take me home.
I do not want to cut. That's how we do it. Basically, wow, see, this is why I wanted to unravel it so it doesn't look like that when we're trying to put it on the car. Here's how it works. So as you guys can see right here, this is gonna go on the edge of the kit. We'll use this for example. It's gonna go in there just like that. And then we're gonna have to line it all up on the kit just like that. Go along the whole edge, boom. 3M sticky tape on the inside. So basically pull the white tape out, boom. It will stick on there for good. So as soon as we get the kit, guys, we'll be able to mount it and make it look beautiful with this stuff. So until then, I'm super sad. We just pulled up to Discount Tire because with putting my new wheels on, as you can see right here, I have that TPS light coming on right here. And every time I start my car, it says, you know, TPS air. With that being said, it is because when I first bought my wheels, I just brought them home in a truck. I didn't have them mounted or anything. So now that they are mounted, I'm gonna have to get the sensor relearned to the 2016 WRX or however they do it. Basically just relearn the sensor to my car specs. So we're gonna do that right now.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, let's go in and see what's good.
It's hot.
It is hot. It's like 85 degrees today, guys. It's kind of hot for being this early in the year, but you know, Utah's on the come up right now, so let's go. Need to plug it into the... I'll need to plug it into the ECU here in a minute, yeah. Oh, okay. You said this is WRX, right? Yeah. 2016? Yep.
I was looking at that.
Go ahead and plug it in.
Right.
And after you've plugged it in, now if you can turn your car all the way to the on position.
Yeah.
It's looking for errors is what it's doing.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
Go ahead and disconnect the cable.
Okay.
Move the car on. Alright, it's all been done. So theoretically from there it's supposed to reset itself if everything's calibrated correctly.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we'll be good. If not, then maybe I'll just swing by again tomorrow or something.
Yeah,
okay.
To do that.
All right, man. Okay. All right, sweet dude. Thank you so much. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. Honestly, I've never done that in my life, but there we go, guys. That is how you reset and relearn or program your TPMS sensors. Should we head home now?
Yes. Pictures. Gang.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, pictures.
I always got to be taking pictures for these fools, but it's okay because then we take pictures of the whip and we upload them on the ground for the boys, so we lit. Peace out, Discount. Peace.
Bye, Discount.
Everybody have a great day. Enjoy the coronavirus. While Sophie and Sage are making some TikToks over there, I just took some sick photos of the car. Look at it from here. They're doing their own thing over there, and the Sui's parked way over there. I totally forgot the car was still running. Oh my gosh, I couldn't find my cameras. Jake just texted me. He says, let's see, come on, focus. What's your paint code? So that's a good text to get. They're asking about the homie's paint code.
You're stunting, bro. Look at that gooch, the bait. Oh my gosh. Straight drip.
259, baby.
Let's go.
All day.
Oh, you got your things.
Yes.
Yep. Did you show Sophie?
Yes.
Really?
I sent her pictures yesterday.
Did she like them?
I think so.
That's dope. Wait, get my drip in.
Oh yeah.
I thought you were in Stone's room. I was actually gonna run out and be like, yo, check out what shoes I'm wearing today because I never wear them, I feel like.
Were you wearing them yesterday?
This morning I was.
Okay, I saw it in your
Or
story.
maybe I was wearing them the other day. I don't know. I just don't want to like. I feel like the paint might get ruined a little bit. But oh yeah, paint code. I forgot. I think that's actually on the inside of your door. Oh shoot. Hold on. I always do this. Car's always locked. Okay. All right. So guys, I believe the paint code is right here. Okay. No tire information. Where's the oh, right here. Okay, it's just in the 04 WRX. It's actually on this side right here. So that's why I was looking right there. But with it being right here, yo, that goes hard.
You think so?
Yeah, that's super sick. What kind of edit are you gonna put on it?
I think I'm gonna like blur everything, but the phone and like right here on the car, in the car, you know?
Oh, so kind of blur your background.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Okay, yeah, do that. That's gonna be sick. And then actually send that to me when you're done.
Okay, I'll show it to you. Yeah.
Oh, yo, bro. What's up, dude? Hey, so.
Hello?
Hey, you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yo, so I was looking on the inside of my door. Yo, no. All right, I'm just gonna call his phone number. I don't know, this is being weird.
Hello?
Yo, this is a lot easier.
Yeah, way easier.
I know. Okay, bro, so on the inside of my door, there's that black square. I'm not sure which one the paint code is, and I honestly don't think it says it on here. I totally forgot, dude. I was gonna text you right after I left too, like, hey, you need the paint code? I'm struggling. Oh, yo, guys, I found out there's also another stamp on the passenger side door. This one actually says it itself. Color code K7X. So I'm gonna hit Jake back up with that. Color code K7X. I'm gonna send that. I'm also gonna send him a picture. Passenger side door, LOL. I'm glad he hit me up today. I was able to update you guys in this vlog, so now you are more up to date on what is going. I'm gonna have to end the vlog there, guys. Till next time, or unless something else crazy happens. Peace.